What kind of light did Roman lighthouses use? Have you ever wondered how ancient civilizations guided their ships safely to shore? Roman lighthouses played a vital role in maritime navigation, and their lighting methods were quite fascinating. So, what kind of light did these impressive structures use? Roman lighthouses primarily relied on open fires to produce light. These fires were usually fueled by materials that were readily available in the area, such as wood or coal. The flames were maintained at the top of the lighthouse towers, serving as a beacon for ships approaching the harbor. To make the light more effective, lighthouse keepers likely added flammable liquids to the fire. This not only helped to keep the flame steady but also reduced the amount of fuel needed. During storms or adverse weather, this technique ensured that the light remained visible to sailors navigating the waters. The flames were often protected from the wind by glass windows. These windows allowed the fire to burn more consistently, preventing it from being extinguished by gusts of wind. This was essential for ensuring that ships could rely on the lighthouse for guidance, even in challenging conditions. In addition to the fire itself, large mirrors or polished metal surfaces may have been used to reflect and project the light over greater distances. This would have significantly increased the lighthouse's effectiveness as a navigational aid, allowing ships to see the light from farther away. The lighting methods used in Roman lighthouses were influenced by earlier practices from the Hellenistic period. The famous Lighthouse of Alexandria, which was built before Roman times, set a high standard for lighthouse design. It featured a large fire that could be seen from up to 30 miles away, inspiring the Romans to incorporate similar designs into their own port infrastructure. Maintaining these fires was no small task. It required transporting fuel to often remote or elevated locations and ensuring that the flame remained lit throughout the night. This reliance on fire as the primary light source reflects the technological capabilities of the time. The Romans utilized combustion and basic optical aids, as more advanced lighting technologies were not yet available. In summary, Roman lighthouses used open fires fueled by wood or coal, sometimes enhanced with flammable liquids. These fires were protected by glass and aided by reflective surfaces to maximize visibility for maritime navigation. This practical approach was a continuation of earlier lighthouse traditions, serving the needs of Roman ports across the Mediterranean.